Namaskar, this is Happy Man, Dhruva Jyoti Shah, once again in front of you. And today I'm back with my super series, Love and Happiness. Let me tell you, just remind you once again that I've dedicated this YouTube channel, this video channel for love and happiness. So this is a family channel and everybody can watch this video. So the theme of my video is the litmus test. How to differentiate a happy person and an unhappy person. हम कैसे विभाजित कर सकते हैं कि एक खुश इंसान और नाखुश इंसान दोनों में अंतर क्या है? See, if we delve into this subject, we all go through different problems in our lives. We have different challenges, more or less. Every day is not the same, isn't it? Today we resolve a problem, the next moment another problem is ready just in front of us. So all of us, no matter how hard we try, we face difficulties in our lives. But now, just let us go deep into this subject. What really separates a happy person and an unhappy person? So this is something new for you, that an unhappy person always keeps on talking about being positive, be positive, strive for success. He or she will always talk about you have to be successful in life. You have to be successful in life, or you can be successful in life. My dear friends, if somebody tells you that you can be successful, that person is telling a big fat lie. We do not need to be successful to be happy. Can everybody really be successful? Ask yourself. There is poverty, there is crime, there is violence, there is sickness. There are so many difficult challenges in relationships. And here I am going to give you a lecture about being successful. If you do this, you will be successful. If you do that, you will be successful. I am telling you lies, big bunch of lies. Please remember, to be happy, you do not need to be successful. आपको खुश रहने के लिए सफल होना जरूरी नहीं है. क्या करना जरूरी है? Every moment, in each moment of your life, you need to live with excellence, which means you need to be the best version of yourself. You do not need to please everybody. You need to just stick to what you want to do and be happy and satisfied about it. So a happy person thinks about excellence or will speak about excellence. He or she will not talk about success. So an unhappy person will tell you be positive, be successful. No. So that shows that person is not really happy. So if a person is already happy and satisfied, what will he think in the subconscious mind? Let me live an excellent life. So this is the litmus test. If you want to find out whether a person is happy or unhappy, watch his conversation or her conversation. What is he talking about? Or what is she talking about? If she is always talking about success, that means that person is not really happy. A happy person thinks about excellence, speaks about excellence, and tries to do everything excellently. So if you want to be happy, be an excellent human being. Thank you for watching this video.